Hi everyone, it's Cindy from Cricut the Heart, and today I'm back to share a stamp and die haul. So the first thing I want to share with you is from LDRS Creative. I believe it's the Little Darling Rubber Stamp Creative, and they had a killer deal on their dies. They were clearing them out, and as of today, they still had some left. So I spent, including shipping, $16.95 for all of these dies. I mean, really, it's an incredible steal. So the first one is this one right here. This is, I don't know what it's called. It's right here. And I love the color on these dies. I think these are basic cutting edge borders. They're $2.50. I don't know why the packaging is so humongous though. And then this one right here, which is funny because I just got that 3-in-1 punch. So I might, do some comparisons with that, or maybe not. I don't know, because I'm already working on that project. So I don't know if it also embosses or what. Very cool though. That one. That was the Stitch Flags, $2. These right here, the butterflies, dotted wings, $1.35. Then there's these ones, which is the basic pierced ovals. These were $2.15. And then these ones right here. And those were fancy rectangles and layers, $2.55. And then these ones right here, which were the fancy squares and little things. I love the little buttons. Those ones were $2.45. So just a steal. So I will look and see if I'm able to do some sort of a comparison with that die. And then Your Next Stamp had a 35% off their stamps. The only problem with that, of course, is they charged a flat like $10 shipping, which I thought was kind of high, but whatever. So anyway, I got this Hammy coffee and tea, and I also got the dies. So I have been wanting this one because I do love things with coffee and tea. So I did go ahead and get that one. And then I got this one right here, which is Punny Pineapples. And then I also got the dies as well. I got this one, which was on sale, which is this home one, which I don't know, I like houses for some reason. This one, which was $5, and then of course there's 35% off on it, plus $7 for the dies. And then I got this. I was dying to get a really good size gingerbread man, and I went ahead and splurged on this one because I just really liked the size of this one. It wasn't too big and it wasn't tiny, so nice size. And then I got these two dies. I have the hearts one and I have not used it yet. And I've seen a lot of cute things done with this die, so I'm going to go ahead and see what I can do with that. And then I got their gumdrops, the enamel dots. I really just wanted black, but they were out of black, so I went ahead and got their Valentine's Day pack because it had the red, white, and it also had the black. So that is my haul. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut the Heart.